Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to look at photos I took in London, England with this Canon PowerShot SD 1400. It's a tiny little camera. You can see I've got cracks in it. It definitely got used. Powers up nicely still. Still focuses nicely. I don't know, memory card. It takes a standard SD card, so that's great. Easily rechargeable with this charger I have right here. Your basic exposure settings for close-up, scenery, etc., etc. Yeah, this thing I was able to really just take it out, hold it, and take a photo pretty quickly. Going in and out of a lot of buildings, it was convenient to have. Although at the time I did not have a DSLR, which is unfortunate. However, I made it work. It was a quick trip. I didn't really have a lot of time to plan. Grabbed my best compact camera, and you can see this thing has gotten worn out. Got paint chips all over it. The back is cracked. It definitely got used. So let's take a look at some photos from London, England.